God, I don't know what kind of shells y'all got me shooting, but them things kick. I killed that one, I think. I think that one's mine and Jared's. That one's gonna have to wait.
I didn't shoot one time when he was right.
Jared, I think me and you got that one.
He's still alive.
Hey, there they go right there. There they went right there behind y'all. Yeah, is my face paint coming off? Did you want some? I don't like this. I can't see.
Did y'all shoot upside down? Yeah, did y'all shoot sitting there? Look, there's two coming right at the pipe.
Yeah, I did.
Right here.
Where?
You're gonna shoot the sparks, bro.
I don't know. I only shot one time again. I ain't shooting one time every time.
I only shot once.
I shot twice.
You're gonna shoot like sparks out the barrel.
I see sparks coming by my head.
I know.
It looks cool, don't it?
I just shot one time.
Same.
Well, he was right there.
Yeah.
I was about to shoot that dove thinking it was him.
Man, I want a Pop-Tart.
Right here too. Way down there. They keep landing right there. They keep landing in that timber down there. Here it comes. Where did it land? That sounds like a mallard right there. That's in front.
Hey, hey, hey.
One went right here.
I'm just ready for the mallard to come.
Two of them just flew over.
You gotta be watching both ways. Look, look at the two ways. They're full. What call you gave me? That's farther down. Here, one coming right up. One coming straight up the pipe here. Y'all kill it. Y'all kill it. Kill it right here. Kill it. Kill it. Quit shooting that dead bird, Ryan.
Brandon all day.
Ryan, Ryan, shoot that dead bird.
Oh.
He's coming right up the pipe, son.
God, my stomach hurts.